How to increase transfer limit on Axis Bank application. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we will learn how we can increase transfer limit on Axis Bank application. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So for that, launch your Axis More mobile application in a mobile device. After that, log into your account by entering your username and password. Once you're done entering your credentials, tap on sign in option. And once you are logged in, now you have to navigate to your profile management. For that, tap on the profile or settings icon, which you will find at the bottom right corner of the dashboard. After that, in the profile or settings menu, search for an option as transaction limits and then tap on it. Then you have to select the specific account for which you want to increase the transfer limit for, and then enter your desired daily or per transaction limit. And once you're done, you may be prompted to enter your PIN or password or a token to confirm the changes. Now, once you are authenticated, your new transfer limit will be set. And that's how you can increase transfer limit on Axis Bank application. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.